Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. My dear children, today I have to cover Unit 2, Day 13 and 14. 2 days ma. Just listen carefully. First, phonics class. Today's phonics class, we are going to write some phonics words for dictation. Okay. I will give you 3 seconds time. You have to get ready for your Elga book, workbook, pen, pencil along with you. Start counting 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, I hope you are all ready. First you will write a self-test for a phonics class. Do you remember how we have to write a self-test for phonics class? Yes, you are going to use the phonic sounds to write test. Okay, shall I say now? Are you ready? Great. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Great, my dear children. See the first word, sleigh, sleigh, sleigh. You have to use the sound to write test. Okay. Start counting 3, 2, 1 and 0. Next word, soup, soup, soup. Next word, roll, roll, roll. Great. Next word, 8, 8. 8. Start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next. Obey, obey, obey. Start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next. Reindeer, reindeer, reindeer. Great. Next, vane, vane, vane. Start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, wound, 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 wound. Start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great. Next, pray, pray, pray. Start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, group, group, group. Start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, I'll give you 1 minute time. You have to complete your test. 30 seconds, ma. Sorry. Write neatly. You have to use the phonic sounds to test. Write test. Great. Correct your spelling. If you make a mistake, no problem. You have to write 5 items. Which one are wrong? Great, my dear children. I hope you are all finished this. Next one. This is SR 13, my dear children. After completing your test, you have to read this. Oh. Diagraph. Wound. You have to use the blending technique. Read the words. Okay. Next, all diagraph. Roll, roll, scroll, scroll. Right. This page you have to Use the blending technique to read these words. Next page. See this. This is EI as in E digraph, EY as in E digraph. This also you have to use the blending technique to read these words. Way, reindeer, pray, way, right? Do you understand, my dear children? Yes, this is oral practice. After that, you have to do one worksheet from this related phonics part. See this. This is the worksheet number 21. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with correct vowel digraph combination of for each word. This one, okay? You have to do this in your home, okay? You don't have a book means you have to write your notebook and send it in our Elga 8 group. So this is the homework for phonics session, okay? Yes. Let us move to the whole word section. This also you are going to write a dictation of some whole words, okay? I will say the whole words, you listen carefully. Now you also take your notebook. I will give you 3 seconds time for that. 3, 2, 1, 0. Great. I'll say the words eng, eng, eng. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, 1, 1. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, under. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great. Next, as. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, own. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great. Next, without. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great. Next, off. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great, my dear children. I hope you are all completed your test. Let us check out your answers. From this whole word, how will you write? How did you write? Yes, you have to read the word as it is. You do not use the letter sounds to write these words. Are you clear? Yes. Now you are going to check out your answers. If you make a mistake, no problem. You have to, which one are all wrong? You have to write 5 times. In, one, under, as, on, without, off. You have to pause the video. You have to correct your answers. So, which whole words we learnt? In, one, under, as, on, without, off. Right? From this whole words, we will do one worksheet also. Listen carefully. See this, my dear children. In, one, on, under, without, off, as. Right? This is the worksheet number 22. You have to pause the video, then write the, see the workbook and write the answers. Right? Already I told to you, right? The cat is sleeping with her young ones. First one answer I shared. Remaining rest of questions you will do with your own. Read the sentence and find out the whole word, then fill the blank. This is your homework. So, today in our phonics section, completed. Then whole word section, we recap this whole words. I conducted a test and then workbook I give homework. This two you have to finish. Okay. Let us move to the reading and listening comprehension session. My dear children, you have to know about the conclusion, how you have to conclude that every story. Listen first. Yes, let us recap the drawing conclusions. Story clues. Right? First of all, you have to ask yourself the questions. What important event happened during the story? Next, how were the characters behaving during the story? What happened at the end of the story? How did the characters feel at the end? Right? Next, what do you know already? Ask yourself these questions. What do I know about people who behave like the character? What else do I know that connects with the story? Right. This like you have to draw a conclusion table and complete that. What can we conclude? What did we learn from the story? What is the story trying to say? This is the every story conclusion. This like you have to ask like this questions yourself. Okay. Great. So are you clear? How we have to find out the conclusion every story? Great. My dear children, now we are going to read a story yourself. Okay. After that, before you are going to start read the story, how you have to find out the new meaning of difficult words? Yes. See this. This is the vocabulary words. We are going to read the story. This one SR19. Who got the bird's eye? Okay. Vocabulary words. See that these are all the difficult words from this SR story. Archery, jealous, pleased. Shooting with the bow and arrow, especially as a sport. Right? Example, archery is an old sport in India. Jealous, feeling envy towards someone due to their achievements or advantages. He was jealous of his cousin brother. Next, pleased, feeling or showing happiness and satisfaction. Sunit was pleased with his efforts. Now we are going to read the story. I also read. You read along with me. Okay, keep your pencil or finger. Who hid the bird's eye? Adapted from Mahabharata. Illustrator Kirti Benha. Drona was the teacher of Princess of Hastinapur. He trained them all in archery. Arjuna was the best student in the class. One of the students got jealous of Arjuna. Drona said, "You will see why Arjuna is the best." Drona decided to take a test of everyone. He hung a wooden bird from a tree. He asked each prince to shoot at the bird's eye. Each prince came forward and aimed at the bird. Drona asked each of them, "What do you see in front?" "I see a tree and a bird," said each prince. Hearing this, Drona stopped them. When it was Arjuna's turn, Drona asked him the same question. Arjuna replied, "I see only the bird's eye." Drona was pleased with the answer. He asked him to shoot. The arrow hit the bird's eye. The student who was jealous understood why Arjuna was the best. So my dear children, hereafter what is your work? You have to focus that work only, okay? Don't do other works, right? Do you understand, my dear children, the story? Yes, and also I sent it in our WhatsApp group also. You have to read this story, okay? Now we are going to do one worksheet from the story related. Again, you have to read the story with your own. After that, you have to complete the worksheet. I will show now. See this. We read the story, right? Who hide the bird's eye? You have to read the story again. After that, you have to complete this A question, then B question. Next page, worksheet number 23 also. This story related questions ma C, D and E. Already I asked you every online classes how will you find out the beginning, middle and end. Again I will teach you. At the beginning means you have to find out the settings and characters of the story. Then middle means what was the problem, how was the problem solved. At the end, yes, solution. This like you have to find out the beginning, middle and end. After that you have to write in your notebook this story related sequence. Okay. Great job my dear children. Next, I will move to the grammar part. Which are the connectors we have learnt? Anybody told? Great. And, but, or. When do we use or? Yes, we use or when we have choice. When do we use and? We use and to connect sentences when both ideas exist or of equal importance, right? Next, when do we use but? Great, we use but to connect sentences with their unlike ideas or show contradiction, right? Great. So my dear children, we are going to complete one worksheet number 21, question number 1. We recap that connectors, right? But and or. So this one, fill in the blanks using the correct option from the bracket, right? So you have to read the question, then find out the answer, then fill in the blanks like this, okay? Are you clear, Kutima? This is the connectors, right? You have to fill and send it in our WhatsApp group. Next, pronouns. Do you know that pronouns? Yes. Me means I. My means we have to use I. Sadhana. Girl means you have to use she. Boy means you have to use he. Then animals means you have to use at. These are all the pronouns. We don't use always their names. Sadhana like that. We have a use only she. Only once you have to use this name, specific name. After that you have to use a she only. Then boy name also you have to use a he. Then animal's name you have to use it. Then lot of people means you have to use they or we. These are all the pronouns. Now you are going to see the worksheet. This pronoun related grammar part. See this my dear children. This is worksheet number 24. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. My name is Joe. My. So you have to use I. I am 8 years old. I answered first dash. Remaining rest of the questions you have to read the question, then find out the answer, then fill in the blanks. Here also, second question also, your homework. What is that? Megraj likes to eat carrots. Dash eats 2 carrots every day. You have to find the noun. Right, Megraj. It is a boy name. So what you have to use? Yes, he. So you have to use he. Megraj likes to eat carrots. He eats 2 carrots every day. This like you have to complete this worksheet number 24, question number 1 and 2. Great, Kutima. I hope you are all understood. Let us move to the writing and speaking expressions session. What are folk tales and fables? Yes, folk tales are stories told by common folk ordinary people. Fables are short stories with an animals as characters. Today, we will be listening to an audio recording of a folk tale. Right? While you are listening, I want to all of you focus on two things. What the speaker is saying, how the speaker is saying it. Now you are going to ready for that. Okay? Listen, start counting. I will play the video now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0.
Once a king was crossing a desert. His hawk perched on his shoulders. The hot sun made him thirsty and he went to look for a stream. Luckily, he chanced upon a fountain not very far. He knelt down and was about to drink the water when suddenly the hawk swooped down and pecked his hand. He stopped down to drink the water again, but the hawk pecked his hand again. The thirsty king screamed angrily at the hawk. When he stooped down, something glistened in the water. It was a poisonous snake. The king knew that a single sip of the water could have killed him. He felt terrible for screaming and apologized to his hawk, petting it lovingly. The hawk too forgave his master.
Did you listen the audio, my dear children? Yes. What was the title of the story? The King and His Sword. Right? We heard the story. Now we will also narrate the same story. We will now listen the story again. I will play the video. You have to draw the table beginning, middle and end. Okay? Again I will play the video, my dear children. You have to write down your notebook beginning, middle, end. After completing the class, again you will listen the audio, then you have to find out the answer, then write this tabular column beginning, middle and end.
And his hawk. Once a king was crossing a desert. His hawk perched on his shoulders. The hot sun made him thirsty and he went to look for a stream. Luckily, he chanced upon a fountain not very far. He knelt down and was about to drink the water when suddenly the hawk swooped down and pecked his hand. He stopped down to drink the water again, but the hawk pecked his hand again. The thirsty king screamed angrily at the hawk. When he stooped down, something glistened in the water. It was a poisonous snake. The king knew that a single sip of the water could have killed him. He felt terrible for screaming and apologized to his hawk, petting it lovingly. The hawk too forgave his master.
Great, my dear children. Writing and speaking expression. Again you listen that video, then complete that beginning, middle and end. After that you have to, again you will think a imaginary story. After that you have to draw that. Then write a tabular column for story elements. Settings, characters, settings, talking characters, a problem, resolving a problem, a solution. Write down that 5 sentences. Then you must give your name, label to your drawing. This is the homework for writing and speaking expression skill. Okay, my dear children. Again, I have to recap what we learnt from today's class. We learnt a unit 2, day 3, 13 and 14 2 days class because yesterday leave, right? That's why we learned 2 classes. Okay, in our phonics I conducted a test dictation, and then you have to read the vowel digraph, use the blending techniques. After that you have to complete the worksheet. Then whole word section you wrote a test, and also you recap that for 6 whole words. Then complete worksheet. Reading and listening comprehension, you read the story again and again. After that you have to complete the worksheet related. In our grammar part, we recap the connectors and pronouns. You have to complete related worksheet. Writing and speaking expression skill, I played a video, that audio, right? You listen that, you have to write down in a notebook for that audio related beginning, middle and end. After that you are going to imagine one story, draw that, then write 5 sentences, use the story elements table, then give a label to your topic. So today's class over, my dear children. Take care. Bye. Thank you. Happy learning. Be safe.